Hey, carrot cake shouldn't be a disappointment, and this one really isn't.
To get started, heat the oven up to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, combine 2 cups or 260 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon and a half of ground cinnamon. Whisky so that everything is well distributed. Once done, grab another large bowl and in it, combine 1 1/4 cups or 300 milliliters of canola or vegetable oil, 2/3 of a cup or 150 grams of granulated sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix well. Then grab 4 whole eggs with yolks and add them to your oil mixture one at a time. Mix well between each addition. I should also point out that the eggs should be at room temperature. Okay, here comes the unexpected. You will now combine the wet and dry mixtures. I know, right? Anyways, pour the two together until well combined, and you can add 3 cups or 300 grams of grated and peeled carrots. Mix well, and you can then add 80 grams of chopped pecans or walnuts to your mixture. Honestly, I prefer the walnuts as they make the cake taste so much better, but that's just my personal preference. Moving on, grab a greased and parchment-lined baking tray or springform pan and pour the cake mixture in. Give it a few taps just to make sure everything is settled, and toss this into the oven for 30 to 45 minutes until cooked. Once cooked, set this aside to cool while the cake is still in the pan. For the icing, add 250 grams of cream cheese and beat this using a whisk or a handheld mixer until smooth and creamy. Add 150 grams of icing sugar and whisk it until light and fluffy. To keep this up a notch, pour about 80 milliliters of whipping cream into the mixture and beat this until it's light and fluffy. Grab the cooled cake and set this on a cake batter before piling the cream cheese frosting on top and leveling it off as best you can. Once this is done, top it off with about 20 grams of chopped walnuts and be ready to taste this.
The goal here wasn't perfection, it was simply to make a better carrot cake, one that you could honestly be proud of and one that wouldn't make you cry. So, now comes the important bit. Does this taste as good as it looks? One way to find out. You know something's good when it makes you smile every time you take a bite. Honestly, I love this part. This is what makes it all worth it. The taste of the cream cheese, the texture of the nuts against the soft. Just look at that spongy cake. Okay, I'm gonna have another bite. And forgive me for speaking with my mouth full, but this is that good. Okay, one more bite, I promise.